so I am flying through some interesting air. It's kind of overcast, and yet it's I'm gonna pull up my little face mask. It's kind of overcast, but it's definitely thermic. I see a paraglider flying over this mountain. This is Mount Si. So that's cool. I wonder if he took off from up there and is sinking out, or if he's actually catching thermals. So anyway, I'm gonna try to climb up this with as little engine as possible, and then see what the conditions are like. The winds are gonna pick up later, so I'm extra vigilant about keeping an eye out on, you know, if I am penetrating or not, or all the other things that come with this. So I finally added a bungee cord to my pull starter because it kept on going towards the back of the motor. Another thing I noticed the other day is that my decompression port is completely clogged, so it was really hard to start, and then it kicked back up a couple of times, and I'm like, dude, if I'm flying over this kind of stuff and then I just start my motor again, I'm doomed, because I won't be able to pull start it. Or like if it kicks back and rips my cord, then I won't have a pull starter option at all, and I'll just be sinking out. Alright, so it was really weird. It was really turbulent on the other side of the mountain. And like really gusty, and the lift was really strong. And so I'm thinking it was in the lee, so I was getting a lot of rotor. This side is very nice and smooth. The lift is really strong too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually test this just to make sure the wind isn't coming from... No, there's a fire there. It's coming up this way. So okay, we're gonna stay here. Anyway, this is butter compared to the other side. I was getting tossed around and it was gnarly. Let's see how long this lasts. I mean, the battery in my GoPro. I do have another one in my pocket, but it's gonna be kind of hard to get to. Oh, it's so mellow back here. It's so awesome. I love this. I can borderline safely, not that I would ever recommend it, fly hands off. What is this saying? Yeah, video. Sync it up. This is so good. This is like the best lift I've ever experienced. Like best as in the smoothest and most manageable and mellow and strong. I have a full tank of gas today, like probably about 3.5 gallons or something, which is, okay, it's not that full, there's still room, but nonetheless, like I'm carrying a lot of weight, and this is nice and strong and sustainable, and I love it. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to pee at some point, and until then I can keep flying probably all day. It's so beautiful. This might be stronger here. Yeah, let's go back. I like using this speed bar as a stirrup because it's comfortable as hell. I'm gonna guess my GoPro is not gonna survive much longer. Well, you know what? I don't really care about the video aspect of this because this is just enjoyable to chill. I do want to change my music though. Oh, speaking of that, my daily mix on Spotify has just ended. I didn't know that was a thing. Getting kind of hungry. No, the camera died. That's so lame. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Glove, 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 glove. Okay. Alright. Let's see what happens when you climb.